Hi guys, welcome to Live Tutelage. Now in this session we will be discussing of something called hash set. Okay, so just create a class first. Go to your examples package, go to new and say class, and the class name is something like hash, right? Hash set example. We are going to do it. Select your main class, say finish. So this is my class, and the hash set is nothing but a kind of array list. It is nothing but a kind of array list which we have discussed from our previous sessions. If you want to store, if you want to do multiple operations on a list, you can have array list, right? Same as you have the hash set also. But what is the difference between hash set and array list is, in array list you can have duplicate values. Okay, it accepts duplicate values, but whereas your hash set does not accept your duplicate values. Very simple. Array list and hash set both are the same. You can add the items, you can delete the items, and you can add in between the items. You can remove the element, first element or last element or the middle element, whatever it is. You can have all the operations are same as your array list, which we have discussed from our previous session. But here only the difference between array list and hash set is, your array list accepts something called duplicate values. What is a duplicate values? The same value, if you are trying to enter, it accepts it. But whereas your hash set does not accept it. Right, we will see the difference of these two now. So the declaration of a hash set is hash, H capital and S capital, and the object HS is equal to new hash set. So here I am going to define hash set of type string. Let me take. Okay, now this is a hash set of type string and the length is unknown. Now we can find error here. What is this? See, you have to import a package called util for accessing of hash set. So I have just imported it. Now I'm going to add the values in my hash set. So which is something like hs dot add of. So I'm going to add the names like John. Okay, and hs dot add Albert. Okay, now again hs dot add something like Lily. Right, I have added three elements. Now I am trying to add again the second element, which is Albert again. Right, now I will try to print my list, system dot out dot println of my list, which is your hash set. Right, now just run your program and see what happens. Okay, now see here you have John, you have Albert, and you have Lily. But see, the last element again you try to insert the same element Albert, which is not taken. The size you have given is 4 elements, but it is displaying or it is accepting only one element. Now let us see, let me input one more element with a different name. Say for example Albert 1 I have given. Now you try to display the set after adding a different name. Just run as, go to your Java application, run it. Now see, you can find it out here. This is John, this is Albert, and this is Albert 1, and this is Lily. Okay, so this is how you can insert the elements in hash set. So you cannot insert any kind of duplicate values in this hash set. Now we'll see the difference. So the same syntax I'm just copying, right? This is of using of hash set. Now I'm going to have by using of array set. Okay, array set or array list. We call that as array list. Right. Now here, instead of hash set, what you have to do, which is array list, and you can give it as AL, and this is something like your array list. Right. Now you have to import one more package for your array list, which is array list. You have imported that one. Okay, now just try to display your array list, which is AL, and even here, which is A. Right. Now you try to run your program. So when you run the program, HS. Okay. Okay, this is your array list, right? You have to add your array list, which is your array list, right? So you have to change it. That is happens because we copied the code of your hash set. I think now it works fine. Go and just run your program, and again HS is here. So now you just run your program now. Now you can find here, see, the first John, Albert, Lily, and again Albert. See, John, Albert, Lily, and again Albert. So this is from your array list, right? And again after printing of this array list, you have added Albert 1. So this is again Albert 1. So here it has accepted the duplicate values, the same values in your array list. But when coming to your hash set, it is not accepting. The last one is Albert. It is not accepting the same value, but it is accepting a new value in your hash set. So that is the difference between hash set and array list. So if you want to store some elements in a list, but you want to make sure that there should not be any duplicate values in the list, then preferably go for the hash set. Okay, so this is about the hash set in Java. Thank you.